Dear friends, in this episode, we are not going to discuss any topics. We are just going to inform you that on our website www.chemistrynotesinfo.com, you can find a section, a page with name Chemistry Lab Experiments. On that page, you can see different chemistry experiments and practicals which can really improve your knowledge and understanding of science and chemistry. As due to COVID-19 virus infection, students are unable to go to school, colleges, universities, so they are not able to perform any practical in their school, colleges, labs. So there is a gap between educational, as it is easy to understand theory or classes or by watching a video, listening a video, but it's really difficult to understand a practical by watching a video. But something is better than nothing, so we try to produce at least some video with more information and demonstrating each and every steps very clearly in very simple language, so you can understand something about your practicals. These episodes or these videos help you when you go back to your college, school, university, lab, so you can perform these practicals easily. So on our page we demonstrate acid base experiments at home. So these experiments you can conduct easily at your homes. For that you just need some natural indicators which are available at your home, like turmeric indicator, or you can order some pH papers or litmus papers from Amazon, Flipkart, or even you can buy them from your nearest pharmacist shop. Now we also demonstrated some practicals on density or checking, means how you can find density of any substance with the help of weighing balance, scale, hydrometer, etc. As we know, it is difficult to find the density with the help of hydrometer, as hydrometer is not available at our home easily. So we also demonstrate the practical how you can find the density of any substance with the help of weighing balance and scale, as weighing balance and scale is easily available at your home or at nearby shop. And another experiment is with temperature, means how you can measure temperature and what's the difference between temperature, heat, and related practicals. So on that page you can find these type of practicals which you can perform easily at your homes. So please go through that page. Link of that page is in the description of this episode, or you can easily find that from our website www.chemistrynotesinfo.com. Thank you to listening this episode.